Good afternoon, students. For some of you, it is evening now, so we are going to say good evening to you. And to some of you, probably are going to say good morning, depending on the place where you are right now. So we are going to continue with mathematics session. And our today's discussion is going to be in Form 2 Necta 2014 Part 2. If you are following up, the previous session was on actually Part 1. So Part 1, we discussed the question 1 to question number 20. And today we are going to go to question number 21 to question number 25. So we start our discussion directly, and I'm going to share my screen. Here is my screen. So the previous session, we discussed Part 1 of this exam, and today we are going to continue with Section B, question number 21 to question number 25. So here is question number 21, Section B of this exam. The area of rectangular room is 196. If its length is 4 times its width, find its perimeter. So we were given a rectangular room. So this is our rectangular room. And the length is 4 times its width. So this is width, but we were given that length is 4 width. And we were given area. Area is 196 centimeter square. So we have to find perimeter equals to how much? So we know that area is length times width. So area will be length, and our length here is 4. Sorry, our length here is going to be 4W multiplied by W equals to 196. So 4W square will be 196. You are going to divide by 4. W square will be 196 divided by 4. You get 49. So W will be square root of 49. Width is 7 centimeter. So the length of rectangle will be 7 times 4, which is 28 centimeter. And we are looking now for perimeter. Perimeter is length plus width multiplied by 2 equals to 2 in the bracket. 7 centimeter plus 28 centimeter equals to 2 times 35 centimeter, we get 70 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle is 70 centimeter. So that is solution for question number 21. We go to question number 22. Evaluate 2.78 times 3.604 divided by square root of 0.3481. So here you're supposed to use actually mathematical tables for figure tables. And so we're going to have number, and then here we have log of that specific number. So 2.78. If you read it from the table, log 2.78 will be 0.4 0.440 and 3.604. Log of this number 3.604, you get to 0.5678. Now we are going to get general value now in the numerator. The value now in the numerator, we are going to add these two here. You have 8, 11, 11, it is 9, 10, 1.0118. The next number is square root of 0.3481. So what you're going to do here, you're going to express a number into standard notation. So it is 3.481 times 10 power negative 1, then power half. So log of this number will be about 1 point. Now you're going to read in the table log of 3.481 to get 5417. Then you are going to divide this by 2. So when we divide this by 2, we're going to take bar 2 plus 1.5417 over 2, and the result is going to be bar 1 point. So 1.5417, you're going to divide it by 2. It is 7709. Now, this is denominator. Actually, this is denominator. We are going to combine now denominator and numerator. How are we going to combine? You're going to take numerator, which is 1.0118. You're going to subtract denominator. When you subtract, you get here we have about 1.7709. Now we are going to subtract. So 8 minus 9, we are going to borrow 1, will be 18 minus 9, will be 9. Then you have 0 minus 0 will be 0. You have 1 minus 7, so you have to borrow to be 11 minus 7, it is 4. Then you have 9 minus 7, it is 2. You have 0. You have 0 minus 1, so you are going to have 1 now to be 1 point. We have 1.2409. So the next step now, we are going to find antilog of 1.2409. So this will be 10 power 1 times shift log is 0.2409. It is 1.7414. When you multiply, the final results here will be 17.414. So this is our final answer, dear friends. So the value of this expression here, is going to be 17.41. 17.41. 17.414. Yeah, 17.414. We continue with question number 23. Question number 23. I'm sorry. We go to question number 23. And question number 23, here we go. A ladder 12 meters long leans against the top of vertical wall and makes an angle of 50 degrees with the wall. Find the height of the wall. So we have to transform the word into a figure. So this is our wall. And we have a ladder which leans against the wall. So this is my ladder. This is my ladder here, which is actually 12 meters long. And it makes the angle of 52 with the wall. So it means this angle here is 52 degrees. And you are supposed to find height. So this is length, and then you have to find height. So we're going to use cosine. Cosine of 52 will be h over L. So L will be h cosine 52. Sorry. H will be L cosine of 52. H will be 12 meter times cosine of 52. When you read cosine of 52, it is 0.6157. You multiply 12 points, 0.6157. Height becomes 7.3884 meters. So you can approximate it to be 7.4 meters. So that is the height of the wall, dear students. Question number 24 now. We are going to question number 24. In a class of 45 students, some students study physics or chemistry or both. So that is the information. Students study physics or chemistry or both. If 23 students study physics, 33 study chemistry, and 10 students do not study neither physics nor chemistry, find the number of students who study both physics and chemistry using formula. So total number of students, this can be considered as number of universal set, which is 45. And then you have number of those who study physics, NP, we're going to call it NP. It is 23. The number of those who study chemistry, and C, will be 10 students. I'm sorry, this is 33. A number of those who study neither physics nor chemistry, so that is physics union chemistry complement equals to 10. We're supposed to find the number of students who study both physics and chemistry. It will be how much? So to get the number of students who study physics or chemistry, we are going to take number of universal set minus number of students who study neither of the two subjects. For our case now, we are having 45 minus 10, it is 35. So from the formula, now we know number of P union C will be equal to number of P plus number of C minus number of P intersection C. So number of P union C, it is 35 already, equals to number of P, which is 23, plus number of C, 33, minus number of P intersection C. We're going to proceed here. We're going to say 35 equals to 56 minus number of P intersection C. So number of P intersection C will be number of P intersection C will be equal to 56 minus 35. We're going to get the number of those who start both physics and chemistry will be 21 students. So number of those students who start both physics and chemistry is 23. We proceed with question number 25. In the figure below, AB is 36, AC equals to BC, AC equals to BC, and EC equals to DC 20, and ED is 30. Show that triangle ABC and EDC are similar. So I'm going to say, consider triangle ABC and triangle EDC. So in these two triangles, we have seen that actually wow, good. We have seen that actually, so this side equals to this side, and this side equals to this side. So the way we are going to show similarities of these two triangles, ED is 30 centimeter and AB is 36. So we can see here, actually, if you take AC divided by BC, it is 24 centimeter over 24 centimeter equals to 1. And then when you take CD over CE, it is 20 centimeter over 20 centimeter equals to 1. So when we take the ratio of AC to CD will be equal to BC to CE will be equal to 24 over 20. So the ratio will be like this, which is actually by 4, it is 60 by 4, it is 5, 6 over 5. And when you take 36 over 30, that is AB over DE, you are getting 36 over 30 by 6C here will be 6C, here will be 5. So you can see that we have constant ratio here. And because we have constant ratio, that is one of the factors actually to conclude that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. But also you can consider angles, because this side equals to this side, so this angle equals to this angle. And this angle here equals to this angle here. And this is the third angle equals to the other angle. So now we can see that, of course, the ratio of corresponding sides are equal, and also corresponding angles are equal. We can conclude one factor we are going to use here, actually, the ratio of corresponding side are equal. So since the ratio of corresponding side are equal, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC, hence shown. So we are coming to the end of this session. We have solved the questions in Necta 2014 Form 2 Mathematics. I hope the session was beneficial to you. So you have any question, then you can comment. You can actually comment so that we get to know your challenges and we can work on those challenges in the coming session. Don't forget to go through other content so that you get the general picture of what is happening around this channel. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. I wish you all the best in your studies.